What's up, guys? It's your boy John. We're back again here with another video. We have the Civic Type R right here. Ooh, looking good. Now we need to upgrade the Type R with some LasFit. LasFit lighting. Let me show you. I want to make the reverse a little bit brighter and also the interior map lights. Let me show you the products right here. We have the reverse lights and we have the map lights right here. So we're going to be doing that today. Should be pretty simple. All right, so we're going to be tackling these map lights. I'm going to use this pry tool. And if you look there, sometimes you can just try to get it in and then just pry it out like that. It's pretty simple. I'm even using one hand. Now you don't want to crack the plastic, so go slow and just kind of wiggle it out. Now that'll expose the elephant in the room. This ugly old school bulb. It's cheap. Now look at this high quality LasFit. Let's get that side-by-side comparison. Try to get that in focus for you. So the dimensions are going to be the same. I'm going to show you a comparison to get that focus. You have one on the top and you have two on the side. Now these are directional, so when you put it in, give it a good test. Woo! Holy! Let's compare. Oh boy, that is dummy bright. Oh, so you can see the comparison. We got, you know, boom. Imagine if you lose like anything in the car, like a Wi-Fi antenna or anything. You use this thing, you'll be able to see anything. It's insane. But yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna show you both of them. But yeah, here's the comparison again. Let me turn down the, let's see if I can turn on the ISO so you can kind of see. There you go, look at that. You can see. Woo, what a difference in terms of brightness. Let's do both. All right, I'm gonna be doing this one again. That's the old one. The OEM one, just in case you need to change it back. Gonna test. Oh shoot. That's it, that's all it takes. All right, and we're gonna do the map lights too on the back. The thing with this one is you don't remove the black trim. We found something like a flathead to kind of just squeeze, well not flathead. We just use the plastic trim remover and then we kind of pry it in between the bezel. This whole piece comes off like that. Make sure these are usually really hot, so you gotta be careful. Take that out, it's gonna be very similar to the front. Let's use the LasFit LEDs. All right, we have it in, and then we're just gonna test. Oh, geez, that's bright. Man, it's gonna be a big upgrade. You're gonna be able to see when you go into this car. So when we have it in door mode, we're gonna be able to light up the whole back. The old one was inadequate. So now these matches the headlights. The thing is the headlights look really crispy and white. The interior didn't look crispy and white. So now front headlights match the interior. Shoo!
Good.
It's recording? Mm-hmm. So there are two screws on this right here. Take it out. You have to remove the whole housing. And this is kind of like the weird part. You pull it out, you kind of yank it out. And I can show you what stays on there. You see these clips right here? 1, 2. So pretty much you kind of have to do this, pull it that way. After that, look, I thought you can be able to just do it from the trunk liner. It's freaking solid right there. But we're gonna take out this ugly son of a gun right here. Look at this bulb. My 1998 Honda Civic had the same bulb. Come on, man. It's 2017. And it's actually 2023. Woo! Imagine you put this into your map lights. This is a big boy. Here you go. LasFit reverse lights. Do you have the bulb? Mm-hmm. I kind of want to show you a comparison of the bulb. Look at that. Look how monstrous that looks. Huge difference. All right, I put that down here. Plug it in. Now, again, the LEDs are directional. So let's throw this thing in reverse and see if it turns on. Turn the reverse on now. There you go. So, yep, oh, it's hella bright. All right, look good. You can turn it off the car. So I'm gonna just do a comparison real quick. Right is the LasFit LEDs, left side is OEM. See it?
Yeah.
LEDs on?
Yep.
Big difference. Oh wow, big difference.
Hella different.
Wow, that looks crispy. So obviously you're not gonna have the reverse light on most of the time. But when you do, you're gonna be able to see way better. And since we were back here, we also did the trunk light too, and wow, it really lights up this whole back. Before it was a hot mess.
Even if you look through there.
Yeah. Jeez. Looking good now. So I'm just gonna show both of them on real quick. Woo! Dang. Dang, ain't nobody gonna be rearing you. They're like, oh, someone's backing up. What's really good is the camera, because there's so much light, you can actually see pretty good when you're reversing on the camera. So, huge plus. Whew, that's awesome. Yeah, that wraps it for LasFits. We did the map lights, we did the little dome light, and then we also did the trunk LED lights, reverse lights. I'll leave all the products down below if you were interested in this. It's a small upgrade, but it's so easy to do. But it makes a really big difference at night. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you.